The biggest developer in the country is the state. The biggest investor in housing in this country is the state, is this government. Okay, and that's just facts. Anyone who says differently is being disingenuous. The scheme in Donabate, and actually I want to commend Fingal County Council, and I want to commend 31 progressive councillors who have now voted to deliver 1,200 homes, 238 affordable, 238 social, 150 cost rental, and yes, 600 private homes. But delivery. And all we get, and that will be in place now, has been passed by Fingal. And that scheme, by the way, was conceived 3 years after the most recent plan for Oscar Traynor Road. So what people want to see now is delivery on these sites.
It has been reported that the developer is effectively paying €15,000 per unit, which on the open market would probably cost 30,000 to 35,000.
The arrangements and the financial arrangements with regard to Ballamastone and Donabate have been gone through by the local authority and by experts and put together and voted on by the council. It's a good deal for that area. It's a good deal for people who want to get on the housing ladder. It's a good deal for the state delivering state-backed affordable homes for purchase. We've had far too much of delay particularly from the left and Sinn Féin, who, by the way, opposed this deal, who've opposed every deal that has been put before them since the last local elections. Our people deserve...
They said it was a deal for developers.
No, well, they actually use any reason to oppose. They've opposed over 5,000 homes in Dublin alone since the last local elections. This is 1,200 homes that they've opposed, because anyone who tells you that we can resolve our housing crisis by just delivering public housing only is completely and utterly incorrect. And there are some that use that soundbite, and say we'll deliver 20,000 public homes, as Sinn Féin say, in a year. They never say where, they never say who's going to do it, they never say how it's going to be done, and they never say how long.
They would say otherwise.
Well, no, they would, but this is important, because these are real homes for real people that will be delivered. And we've put affordable housing right back at the centre. And the affordable housing bill that I have in the Seanad right now and that will pass by the summer will give real hope to couples out there who are paying exorbitant rents that they can own their own home. And I hope those parties who object to these housing developments will see fit to vote for real measures that are going to help real people and families own their own homes at an affordable rate.